Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Babery. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to travel the world without emptying your wallet. Get ready to unlock secret menu hacks and travel tips that'll make you say, "How did I not think of that?" If you're tired of overpriced airport snacks and tourist trap meals, hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Let's go! One of the biggest budget busters while traveling is eating out for every meal. When booking accommodations, always search for places with a kitchen. Having your own kitchen is like having a superpower over your travel budget. You can hit up the local markets, grab some fresh ingredients, and whip up delicious meals for a fraction of the cost of eating at restaurants. It was not only way cheaper, but also a really fun and authentic experience. Plus, who doesn't love the smell of their own cooking? It just makes the whole place feel like home. Let's talk about leftovers. Packing your own meals in Tupperware is a game changer, especially for those long travel days. Imagine this. You're on a road trip cruising through breathtaking landscapes. You reach into your trusty backpack and pull out a Tupperware container filled with a delicious homemade salad or sandwich. Boom! Hunger pangs vanquished, money saved, and you're feeling like a travel pro. I had packed a Tupperware container filled with my mom's famous pasta salad. Trust me, Tupperware is your new travel BFF. Buffet lovers, this one's for you. Buffets are like the holy grail of budget travel meals. Think about it, all you can eat goodness for one fixed price. There are some seriously amazing buffets out there, with tons of variety and quality food. One time in Vegas, I stumbled upon this incredible buffet with everything from sushi to prime rib. I paced myself, obviously, but let's just say I got my money's worth and left feeling like a champion. Do your research, read those reviews, and prepare to feast. As some of the best food in the world is found on the streets. Forget fancy restaurants. We're talking about the heart and soul of a city's cuisine, cooked right there in front of you. Street food is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly affordable. I remember this one night in Bangkok. I was wandering through a bustling night market, and the aromas were just intoxicating. I stumbled upon this little street food stall, and they were making these incredible pad see ew noodles. Ditch the fancy restaurants once in a while and embrace the delicious chaos of street food. Always, and I mean always, pack snacks. Snacks are your secret weapon against hunger pangs, low blood sugar, and those moments when you just need a little pick-me-up. Think about it. You're exploring a new city, you're on a long bus ride, or you're hiking through breathtaking scenery. Thank goodness I had packed a stash of trail mix and granola bars in my backpack. Those snacks saved the day, my friends. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's talk about the humble yet mighty reusable water bottle. Not only is it good for the planet by reducing plastic waste, but it's also good for your wallet. Buying bottled water every time you're thirsty can really add up, especially when you're traveling. I had my trusty reusable water bottle with me, and it was a lifesaver. I filled it up at water fountains, at restaurants, even at people's houses. Ditch the single-use plastic bottles and invest in a good reusable water bottle. If you're looking for a delicious and affordable way to experience local cuisine, look no further than lunch specials. These midday deals are a fantastic way to enjoy high-quality meals without breaking the bank. Restaurants often offer amazing deals during lunchtime to attract customers, and you can score some seriously delicious meals for a fraction of the dinner price. It's a win-win situation for both the restaurant and the diner. I remember this one time in Paris. Yeah, even Paris has affordable food if you know where to look. I stumbled upon this cute little bistro offering a 3-course lunch special for like 15 euros. It was an incredible find. I'm talking French onion soup, steak frites, and creme brulee. These dishes were not only delicious but also beautifully presented, making the experience even more memorable. It was incredible. The food was amazing, the atmosphere was charming, and I felt like I was living my best Parisian life without emptying my wallet. The bistro's cozy ambiance added to the overall experience, making it a perfect afternoon. Skip the fancy dinners and embrace the beauty of lunch specials. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to try a variety of dishes that might not be available on the dinner menu. So next time you're planning a meal out, consider the lunch specials and treat yourself to a delightful and budget-friendly dining experience. Let's talk about a simple yet effective way to save money while traveling. Skip the soda. Those sodas add up quickly, and they're not doing your body any favors either. Instead, opt for water, juice, or tea. Not only are these options healthier, but they're also way cheaper, especially if you're refilling a reusable water bottle. I made a pact with myself to skip the soda and stick to water with my meals. Skip the fizz, save the dough. Let's talk about a secret weapon for unlocking incredible deals on food and drinks tourism cards. Many cities offer these cards, which give you access to discounts at restaurants, attractions, and transportation. Before you buy a tourism card, do your research and see if the discounts align with your travel plans. I remember this one time I was in London, and I decided to get the London Pass. It gave me free entry to a bunch of attractions, but it also came with a ton of food and drink discounts. Check them out. You might be surprised at the savings you can unlock. Let's talk about one of my favorite travel perks, free breakfast. When booking accommodations, always check if breakfast is included. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your travel budget. It might seem like a small thing, but it can save you a surprising amount of money, especially if you're traveling with a family or for an extended period. Imagine not having to worry about where to find breakfast every morning. I remember this one time I was staying at a hostel in Amsterdam. Yeah, even hostels can have decent free breakfast, and they had this amazing spread. Fresh fruits, pastries, cereals, and even some local delicacies. It was the perfect way to fuel up before a long day of exploring the city, and it saved me from spending money on a separate breakfast. Plus, it gave me a chance to meet fellow travelers and share tips. Always check for the magical words "free breakfast included." It's a simple tip, but it can make your travel experience much more enjoyable and budget-friendly. There you have it, my top 10 budget travel food and drink hacks. Remember, traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. You can savor delicious meals and refreshing drinks without spending a fortune. With a little planning and some savvy strategies, you can experience amazing cultures and create unforgettable memories without emptying your wallet. From street food to local markets, the possibilities are endless. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to budget travel tips? How do you save money while still having a great time? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Your tips could help fellow travelers on their next adventure. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring. Safe travels and happy adventures.